Miss Morgan again, and I'm so glad you could join me for some more phonics today. Today we're going to work on sight words, ending sounds, and rhyming. So remember our target. I can use phonics to help me read. And also remember, we always read with accuracy, which is reading the words correctly, and fluency, reading like we talk. So we're going to start with our sight words, just like the other day. I have set my timer for 1 minute for our Mad Minute. And let's see if we can get through our words today. Ready? And let's go. When, wait, could, my, very, off, were, want, will, come, knew, there, said, saw, should, what, who, of, some, was, went, knew, every, now. 25 seconds on our timer. When, wait, could, my, very, off, were, want, will, come, knew, there, said, saw, should, what, who, of, some, was, went, knew, every, now. Ah, so close, so close. Good job, boys and girls. So now we have our ending sounds that we're going to work on. Let's look at our first card. This is the picture of the word green. Green. What sound do you hear at the end of the word green? I hear the sound. Very good. Our next picture is the word hat. Hat. What sound do you hear at the end of hat? T, t. Very good. Next one. Egg. Egg. Do you hear the g sound at the end of egg? Very good. Our last picture, lion. Lion. Think about it. What sound do you hear at the end of lion? And very good.